While you wait for your next flight, here's some off-the-radar aircraft-related stocks that don't get announced as often. Beginning with FTAI Aviation, a relatively unknown leaser and seller of aviation assets, as well as being a developer of aftermarket components for aircraft engines through a joint venture, operating in two main segments: aviation leasing and aerospace products. In aviation leasing, FTAI acquires aircraft and engines, leasing them to operators on long-term agreements with strong cash yields. In aerospace products, FTAI manufactures and repairs aftermarket components for commercial aircraft engines, working through maintenance facilities, equity investments, and exclusive arrangements. It also holds a 25% interest in its advanced engine repair joint venture, which focuses on cost-saving engine repair solutions. FTAI's strategy involves actively managing and diversifying its portfolio to generate predictable cash flows and capitalize on long-term growth opportunities, mainly by seeking out unique investments, including distressed or undervalued assets. For example, in December 2024, together institutional investors started an initiative to acquire narrow-body aircraft, helping maintain an asset-light model while scaling its leasing business. FTAI's asset acquisition process is thorough, involving detailed due diligence and leveraging industry relationships to source opportunities. It regularly reviews asset performance and makes decisions on releasing or selling based on factors like market conditions, asset age, and lease profile. It maintains strong relationships with global operators and third-party MRO facilities, supporting fleet management and lease opportunities. Despite competition from traditional aviation companies, banks, and private investors, FTAI's industry knowledge, access to capital, and deal structuring capabilities give it a competitive edge in managing and marketing aviation assets. In the airline arena, United Airlines continues to fly competitively as one of North America's largest route networks, with hubs in cities like Chicago, Los Angeles, and Newark. Its membership in the Star Alliance further strengthens its global presence, supporting the United Next growth plan focused on expanding customer choice and product offerings. United is also enhancing its international connectivity with new long-haul routes to destinations like Bangkok, Ho Chi Minh City, Adelaide, and Manila. These additions cement United's position as the largest U.S. carrier in the Pacific, with 32 destinations in the region and 150 international destinations overall. Domestically, United works with regional carriers under Capacity Purchase Agreements, CPAs, integrating services into its network, including the Mileage Plus loyalty program. To improve the in-flight experience, United received FAA approval for its mainline aircraft to be equipped with Starlink Internet, offering passengers Wi-Fi speeds up to 250 megabits per second. The Starlink system is lighter, more efficient, and reduces aircraft downtime. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with 90% of regional flight passengers enjoying the ability to stream content. In addition, United has partnered with Archer Aviation to develop an air taxi network in New York City using electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. This service will drastically cut commute times, providing a faster and more efficient travel option for passengers, while opening access to the emerging electric and hybrid urban air mobility sector. Other United Airlines investments and collaborations supporting emerging aviation technology has seen it invest in aerospace startup JetZero, which is developing the Z4 blended wing body (BWB) aircraft, promising to reduce fuel consumption by up to 50% per passenger mile. This aligns with United's sustainability goals, including achieving net zero emissions by 2050. The Z4 also promises enhanced passenger comfort with larger seats, wider aisles, and streamlined boarding. If successful, the Z4 could enter service around 2030. United is also supporting 12, a company creating low-carbon aviation fuel using a process similar to photosynthesis, which could reduce emissions by up to 90% compared to conventional jet fuel. For speed, United is backing aerospace startup Astromechanica, which is developing adaptive propulsion systems for supersonic aircraft. When it comes to rewards programs, customer benefits are being expanded through its partnership with JetBlue, allowing passengers to earn and redeem loyalty rewards across both airlines' networks. Then, since Spirit Airlines struggles, United plans new services to fill gaps left by Spirit's departure from major routes. On the more luxurious end, United is upping premium offerings on its new Boeing 787 Dreamliner with larger suites, upgraded seating, and exclusive services. It's also improving its mobile app, offering real-time flight updates and improved baggage tracking, helping it stay competitive in a rapidly evolving airline industry. Then, since being founded in 2016, Vertical Aerospace has been working on VX4, an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that's designed to transport a pilot and 4 passengers over distances of up to 100 miles at speeds of 150 miles per hour, with minimal noise and 0 operating emissions. Develop is sped up by focusing on certifiable existing technologies and novel innovations like in-house developed batteries and propellers. As a result, the first full-scale prototype completed remote thrust-borne tests back in August 2023, while a second, more advanced prototype began piloted flight tests in July 2024. In May 2025, Vertical Aerospace achieved a historic first-ever piloted wing-borne flight of an EVTOL aircraft in open airspace. The flight path ahead looks for certification from the UK Civil Aviation Authority and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency by 2028, with the goal of certifying the VX4 to the safety standards of commercial airliners. A journey that will be helped by aerospace amigos like Honeywell, Leonardo, Dassault, and GKN Aerospace, which help develop various components of the VX4. Vertical Aerospace's Flight Path 2030 strategy envisions delivering at least 150 aircraft by 2030, achieving an annual production rate of 200+ units, and becoming sustainably cash generative. Vertical also plans to explore multiple applications for the VX4, including emergency services, tourism, and cargo logistics. It has secured several significant pre-order agreements, including with American Airlines, Marubeni, Avalon, and Bristow, totaling hundreds of aircraft. Following an asset-light business model, it will take advantage of partnerships to reduce costs and scale rapidly once certification is achieved. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.